New at 5, CMS has reached an agreement involving a former band teacher accused of sexually assaulting a student. Back in May, a jury found the former teacher, Duncan Gray, and CMS liable based on allegations that Gray pursued, groomed, and eventually threatened a former student after a 2011 sexual assault in the West Charlotte High School auditorium. The jury awarded $10.5 million verdict in favor of the student last year. And in 2016, Gray resigned and pleaded guilty to taking indecent liberties with the student, a felony, and was sentenced to 30 months probation with sex offender provisions.
Well, our chief legal correspondent, Seema Iyer, was in court this morning. You're joining us now. Seema, now this case will not be retried because, what I understand, the parties have now settled. But how did this case even get back on the docket?
Okay, because it is very confusing, because what Brian talked about was the 2016 criminal disposition. This is a civil rights case, and it's really important for our viewers to understand that children have a civil right to an education free from any type of assault or discrimination, and that's partially what the argument was for the trial. Now, after the verdict came in, all parties except Duncan Gray filed what we call post-trial motions. So let's look back at that May 2021 verdict. The jury found that CMS should pay the plaintiff, that's the victim, the student, the former student, $7.5 million, and Gray should pay $3 million. So the CMS filed post-trial motions, part of which said, wait a minute, that $7.5 million should be reduced, or we should go for a new trial on that amount. And their argument, and which the court actually agreed with, is that basically, and it's a little convoluted, but the attorney for the plaintiff argued to the jury that that amount should be based on a constitutional right, whereas the court said it's not just you have this constitutional right. The evidence has to show that the plaintiff had specific injury and that caused a violation of that right. I know it sounds like a lot of legal language, but that's how we got to this new settlement, this new almost junction in the case.
And a new settlement. Well, here we are with that. What else can you tell us about that settlement?
Okay, not much. So last week it was filed that all parties agreed to a settlement, and that what's called a stipulation dismissing the case, that the case would not go on any further, would be filed by March 27. But it didn't say how much the settlement was. It is fair to assume it's going to be less than $7.5 million. But again, the bottom line here, and I thought it was really important for us to cover this case today, is that parents need to understand that if your child is a victim, there is a criminal avenue, but there's also a civil rights option as well. And that's why cases like this are so important, because people have more than one recourse. Because sometimes the court of law, like this guy just got probation, right? I'm not saying he's guilty of anything, but he took the plea, he got probation, but that was it. So now the case, more precedent.
Wow. All right, Seema Iyer, thank you so much for breaking it all down for us, giving us the answers that we need. Appreciate it.